and I'm going to work. We're at the gas station right now, about to go in and get some coffee, get some go-go juice. If you don't know what go-go juice is, that is gas. But I got that from my father when I was younger. Every time he said it, I thought he was talking about drinks or Gatorade. I don't know. Then he'd have to explain, no, it's gas. We need go-go juice for the car so we can go. But anyways, we're going to try to get some fishing in today when we get home. Where are we going to go?
We have a pond right close to where we're living, so we were going to try there.
Okay.
And yeah.
Yeah, that pond he's talking about is literally, you could throw a rock almost from where we're staying at and hit the pond. It's in the lady's yard. She lets us fish it. The pond's full of bass and crappie and brim. There's no catfish in there though.
No.
But it's a good pond for live bait, but we don't have live bait. But we're going to try some different jigs and stuff. We've never really fished it with jigs, so we're going to see what we can do. So just stick with us. Okay, yeah, we got gas, some coffee. I was going to get some of their hot coffee, but it didn't look too good, so I got something else. But yeah, I got him some breakfast. What'd you get?
A honey bun.
Ah, breakfast of champions. Oh, that sun is just... There we go. I got a big head. I'll block it. Anyways, yeah. So we're going to try to get some fishing in today once it get off because it's nice before the bad weather comes in. So just stick with us. All right, y'all. I just got to work. I'm having to unlock, open up. Phone. Let me get back to you. Okay. There was a guy calling about some stuff I don't deal with. So, but yeah. Now it's time to make the coffee. Boss man gotta have his coffee. It's the end of the work day. I was trying to hurry up and get done and get back to the shop so I can leave, but I don't know what is going on. I just passed 6 state troopers on 67 167 between mile marker 29 and 30. That's how many state troopers were in that one area. So yeah, I'm not going to speed. I'll get there and we'll see you when I see you.
They think that you are better now. You only say that cause I'm not around. You know I never meant to let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I say that I am better now. I only say that cause you're not around. You know I never meant to let you down. Would've gave you.
Okay, so I'm on my way home now. I'm off of work. I'm gonna go home, change, get my son, get our fishing stuff, get over there at that pond, try to get some fishing in before it gets dark, which we should have a couple hours. It's about 5:30, 5:35 right now, something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, get over there and get some lures wet and try to catch some whoppers, or with the way the weather's been and the way the water is right now, just at least try to catch something. I'd be happy even just to catch a stick right now. So yeah, see y'all there.
guys, we are finally at the pond that we have been talking to you about. As you can see, there's a lot of vegetation, grass. It's been raining a lot, and it's been too flooded and muddy, so we're just going to be trying over here. I'm going to be using some fake worms.
Okay, as y'all know, he just gave y'all details about we're at the pond and stuff finally. There he is down there fishing. He's trying to catch one. I'm using a 7-foot medium heavy open face. And it's a pole I told y'all about in the very first video of me buying from Gander Mountain for 20 bucks when it was like 120. That's the only reason I bought it. But because it's been raining so much, the water's kind of bad. What I'm using is this right here. It is a little jig, brushless. It's one of the jigs, football head jigs, black and blue, with a black and blue creature bait on it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to use because the water's kind of dirty. We're gonna see what we can get. Okay, so I got my jig head and creature bait. It's black and blue. Got a little ratter on it. I tried over there through some cast, didn't catch nothing, not even a bite. I'm gonna try to toss it in right here, these trees, and see what I get. So as you seen, I tossed it into the trees. So much for this being a weedless and not getting hung up, because you see I'm pulling in the whole tree, and it's not what I wanted to catch. But like I said in the other shot earlier, I said I'd be happy to catch a stick. Well, I caught a whole tree. Okay, so that didn't work out. I snapped my line, lost my lure. It's a new lure. It's only about the third time I've used it. So now I'm probably going to try either a popper or try to put on a frog. So here's an easy knot for some of y'all just starting off. It's very simple. You see I got my, it's clear on the bottom with rattlers and white and red popper. Popper. What you do, feed your line through, pinch the tag in up here. All you're going to do is twist without getting the hook in your hand. But just twist it. I usually twist mine, say about 8 or 10 times. That's a car horn. Okay, once you do that, you're going to take the tag in. See if you can see it. And go right back through the loop at the bottom of the twist. And what you're going to do, you're just going to pull straight down on that tag in and hold the main line. Just like so. And when you get down, when you get down to that, you'll tug on the bait. And now you'll finish pulling on the tag in. Be careful not to hook yourself. So now, what you have, and then the tag in, of course, I don't have scissors or fingernail clippers. I'm old school. I use my teeth. Get the tag in off. You don't need all that fancy equipment. And then there's your knot. So this is apparently what you do when you fish and lose a lure right next to the bank. You go in after it.
Come here. Okay.
Well, look at you. Ain't that how you do it? You just hooking on the pole?
Alright guys, as you can see, I went over a tree. And see, this is how you do it. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, done. This is my unluckiest day.
So, what happened there?
I don't know. I forgot to...
As y'all know, we both got hung up, both broke our line. Ain't caught nothing yet. So, this first fishing video is not looking like it's going to be a good one, or that we're going to catch anything or catch any whoppers, like I said. But we're trying, so we're at least going to get a couple fish before we leave here. You wait and see. Well, you had him messing with it. Once you go ahead and check your bait.
Okay. Oh, I stole my worm. So guys, as you know, if you fish for brim, you know that they're little bait stealers. And me and my stepdad showed me this trick where we'll show that in another video. But yeah, they're a little bait stealer.
Oh, almost.
Oh, okay. So guys, as you've seen, I almost had a fish. And right now I'm just fixing my worm so that way they wouldn't steal it. And I can only wrap it around twice. So, yeah. And then I'm going to cast out there just once more and see if they steal it. If I did it right.
I'm sorry, guys. He went to cast it and hooked the tree. It's funny, yeah, but if you fish, I guarantee you've done it one time in your life.
At least one.
We're not editing that out. Y'all gonna see all of our wins and fails on this channel.
Got him!
Got him.
Now you're getting up here. Ah! Back here.
Got one. What'd you get? Whoa, hold on.
Back of the mouth.
They got really blurry. I don't know what happened there.
Yeah, I might need pliers. Yep, pliers.
Okay. Thanks, airplane, for the sound. Can you get it out?
Maybe. I'm just gonna have to.
Do you need me
lift up
to?
his mouth.
Do you need me to?
Yeah. So guys, as you see, that's my fish, and it got hooked in the roof of his mouth.
Open your mouth.
But I am. I'm speaking right now.
Hooks out.
Yep. All right. So
little bluegill.
this is my fish.
Not
Not
bad,
his.
little bluegill.
No.
There he goes. Okay, y'all. I done lost 2 lures trying to bass fish. I'm not bass fishing no more. I'm brim fishing. Same thing my son's using. Some artificial, sorry, there's a lot of ants around here too. Some artificial worms. If you want to know what they are, comment below and then I'll let y'all know. But they work really, really good. So that's what I'm doing right now is I'm brim fishing. You got one already again?
Oh, and perfect.
Well, my lure, my bobber's right there and I ain't getting no bite. There's that little stick floating right there. We'll bring it here.
This one right here. I mean, it's a little bit smaller than what my other one was, but
What is it?
it's a perch. Looks like a bluegill.
Okay, guys. So we're still brim fishing. I haven't caught nothing. He's got 2 to my nothing. He's beating me. I'm getting skunked. But we're hearing fish jump all in these trees around here.
Oh,
Just down there, you can still see the ripples. There's a big old bass jumped up in them trees. I don't know what he come up after, but he did.
Yep. There's one.
There's a bite. I ain't having no luck. I ain't having no luck. Let's see if we get one right here. I moved to another spot. See if I have any luck here. Well, I think they just stopped biting.
Well, I only caught 2, and that's much better than you.
Okay, whatever.
And I guess it wasn't a good day to go fishing. You're not gonna always catch them all, but
What are you trying to do? Quote Pokemon? Gotta catch them out.
I guess, I don't know.
Let's get some air on.
That's hot.
I am hot for sure. Okay, well guys, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Like I said, that pond we're used to fishing with live bait, not lures. I lost 2 lures trying to bass fish. I lost that jig, the blue and black jig, with that blue and black creature bait on the back. I lost the popper, but as you seen, he crawled in the water and got it out. I didn't catch nothing. He caught 2 brim. That one, he did. I got skunked, he didn't. But that's part of fishing. When you go, you're not always going to catch a lot, or you may not even catch anything. It's just, that's what we like to do. And go fishing. So yeah, that's us guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's our first one. Okay, what's up y'all? As y'all just watched, it's our first video. Like we said, we're in the beginning stage. If you look back at anybody's YouTube channel, they had glitches and mess ups, and the editing and the filming wasn't that good. But like I said, most of the filming we're doing right now is on my phone. I'm going to meet a guy today for a GoPro. It is the day after we shot this video. But yeah, if y'all just bear with us, it'll get better as time goes. It's me and my son. As you seen, I didn't catch nothing. But yeah, I don't know what happened in the editing. It kept cutting me off a little bit short before I finished everything. I don't know what's going on. I'm still trying to learn all that. So is my son. But we're going to get it going. We'll get it good. Just hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Leave us a comment below of what y'all would have used at that pond or what y'all would have tried. And we'll go back and try it. Also, you know, we're just starting off, but I've talked to a guy. I want to thank Backwoods Raised for the tips. As you can see, we're filming like he told us. Talked to him some. I'll leave a link in the description below to his channel. It's Backwoods Raised. Pretty cool guy so far from what I've talked to him in a little bit. Seems like a down-to-earth guy. But yeah, go check out his channel. But yeah, guys, just bear with us. Everything will get better as time goes. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.